Oh, we're cute. Okay. What's up, you guys? It's Adrienne. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest, Nicole, here with me. She just moved to LA and I literally could not be happier. We haven't filmed together in so long. We did an epic back to school collab last year. It was great. We're gonna have to do another one. We should do another one.
Part 2.
Okay. Today we are doing 16 summer life hacks. It's obviously summer now, which I'm so happy about. And so here we are, our little life hack queens, just here to hack your summer.
Hello, we are here.
So we're gonna do 8 over on Nicole's channel and 8 here. So obviously watch till the end of this video, but then go subscribe to Nicole, watch her video. We have like a ton of great ones for you, so I'm really excited to show you.
Is so good.
And obviously show her all the love in the whole world and like her video and comment and follow her on Instagram. I'll put all of her links down below. Comment down below right now when you get out of school or got out of school and what day you start up again. I'm super curious and also gonna be on that back to school video grind, you know, so yeah, let us know down below. Also, if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Adrienne. Subscribe down below and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. I upload on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And without further ado, you guys, let's get into the video. Alright, you guys, this first life hack, I'm sure you've heard several times, but it is so handy if you're going to a pool or a beach that's in public and you don't want to get your money stolen, even though who even uses cash nowadays? Wait, not me. But all you do for this is take an old chapstick container and just swirl it all the way up, make sure all the chapstick's gone, and just stick your money in a little tube right down in there. And then put your chapstick in your beach bag. That way, just like, no one's gonna steal it because they won't know that it's money. Although, with how many people know this hack, maybe they will. They won't know it's money. So yeah, it just kind of conceals it. So keep your money safe this summer, kids.
Keep it on to it.
Yeah.
What?
Okay, so this next life hack I thought is so clever and creative. I saw someone do this on Instagram stories and totally forgot who did it. But one of my biggest problems in the summer is wearing sunglasses and then getting those little marks on my nose. It just looks bad and it kind of wipes off my makeup. So a really easy hack to solve this, mostly only if you're like driving somewhere and then not wearing sunglasses, is to put a paper towel or a gum wrapper if you have it on the bridge of your nose, really cute, and put your sunglasses on that, and then when you get to your destination, take it off and you won't have a single little mark.
Like, revolutionary. This is incredible.
Yep, it is. What do we do if you have to wear sunglasses at the place too?
Oh, well, honestly, if you make the paper towel or the gum wrapper small enough, it probably would fit. Like,
that's
just
true.
Don't like be too like aggressive with your head. They could like come out like you stuffed your nose.
But it does really help. So if you can make it work when you're wearing them in public, great. Hopefully you can. Okay,
this third summer life hack is a really good way to revamp your clothing for the summer. Like, don't go out and purchase new clothing. Just take what you already have and like DIY it, honestly. You can honestly have a little time with your friends, have a little group hangout, and like little craft party and DIY some clothing and just make it new and more exciting. Just like DIY something and it's really fun, honestly. And I feel like I appreciate clothing when it's like DIY'd more.
I'm like, I made this. People are like, cute shirt. I'm like, I made it. You can make like crop t-shirts. You can take t-shirt dresses, cut them, make them like more crop flowy tops. I've done that a lot. You can make a shirt into like a halter top with the neck piece or like just do some cute cutouts. You can do so much. So highly recommend that for revamping and refreshing your summer wardrobe.
That's right, sweetie.
Yeah. Okay, the next life hack, number 4, is a DIY pop socket. So again, to save that money on that Amazon Prime from, you know, buying a pop socket, you can actually make your own as another fun little summer craft project. I did a video about a year ago showing this, but all the materials were weird and random from a craft store. So this is very easy. You can just take an old water bottle, plastic one, cut the top, and we're recycling plastic by doing this.
Environment. Yeah, zero money and it's like reduce, reuse,
recycle. Woo! So the next life hack is more of like a fun activity that you guys can do with your friends or with whoever you want, basically. And that is to make a little trunk fort in the summer outside. It can be in your driveway. You can go to a park. Be safe, obviously. But what I love doing is taking this really cute tapestry and just kind of folding it over everything in the trunk or in the living room, kind of making it a little teepee style, like by hanging it on the ceiling, and just putting fairy lights, putting really comfy pillows and blankets, and just snuggling there, bringing my laptop, watching some Netflix, and maybe even doing a cute little photo shoot. It's just, this is more like a summer activities video. God.
It really is.
I should make another one of those.
You honestly should. Yeah.
it's a hack for making a really comfortable, cute space with no money really, and just using things
saving money this summer. Like that's honestly that's a really important part of the video is you want to save money and have a lot of fun. So here's a life hack for that.
Absolutely, I would agree.
Okay, this 6th summer life hack is a root beer float DIY situation. So for this DIY, all you have to do is take a ice cube tray and put little, if you want to use vanilla ice cream or whatever you want to use, put ice cream in the little ice cube parts of the tray and freeze that, and you will have much colder ice cream. And honestly, how cute to put little dollops of ice-shaped ice cream in your root beer float. It's super Instagrammy and it's really cute. You can add this to like cold brew. Honestly, get really crafty with it and make your own little kind of concoction, but it'd be really fun to do and really cute.
We spent a good like 5 minutes just discussing like, wait a second, ice cream's already frozen. But we realized like when you put it in the ice tray, it's making it a lot more cold because it's a smaller quantity and it's shaping it into that
completely.
Cube. All right, the next life hack is more of a beauty summer hack, and it is a really, really easy way to get some nice summer waves without like curling your hair.
If you guys shower like at night, or if you want to just have your hair done in the morning, you can actually just use a sock and like twirl that up into your hair, then tie the sock off. Try and make it so if you sleep on your back, make the curls like tie in the front so you can like sleep at night still. And it makes these beautiful, like, voluptuous waves, honestly.
I can't wait to try that.
So, you look insane sleeping, but it's the best in the morning. It's like these huge, like, bouncy, like, model waves.
Ooh, I
and
love
it's, like, no heat at all.
Okay.
Heatless hairstyle.
We'll do that. Yeah, heatless hairstyle. Also, I did a summer beauty hacks video that I'll link down below, and I'll link up here.
It's good. It's good. I watched it.
I don't know about you, Nicole, but I like to be bronze goddess in the summer.
Same. Honestly, retweet.
So you guys, I'm a big fan of self-tanner personally. Like, hate if you want, I don't care. I like that bake and bake grind. It's better for your skin. I like being tan.
True.
I just do. So, Nicole just taught me a really awesome life hack that is if you add some lotion into whatever type of self-tanner you use, it'll, I guess, adhere to your skin for longer, last longer.
It makes it more glowy and like more like long lasting, and also just having your skin be more hydrated at the application.
Yeah.
It'll like stay on way longer. The same thing goes for tanning in general. If your skin is hydrated and it's like very supple, it's going to apply better.
That makes sense. Like, I envision self-tanner being sometimes splotchy, and normally it's not, but I feel like if there's lotion in it, it's like so much more soft and it can be like spread around more easily.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah. All right, you guys, that is the end of my 8 life hacks for summer. Go over to Nicole's channel right now and go subscribe to her and watch her video. I'll link her video down below. Come through, roll through. We also both have Instagram.
Yeah.
Check them out.
At Adrienne, Finch, and Nicole
Jacqueline. Well, we love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll go see you over on Nicole's channel. See you there.
Bye, guys.
Now